So what's up, YouTube? We back with another one, and we down here at the lot, and y'all already know it's hot, ain't it? It's hot as yeah. Listen, we got it going. We've been selling them out, man. We've been back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Like, you know how people get when they get all happy. Yeah, we got one that just pulled up. We got a Ford Fiesta that just pulled up. Let me get this little itty kitty key. I'ma pop the video of that Ford Fiesta pulling up right here. Look at this little key, y'all. And this is my first look at it. Let me see. We just had somebody test drive the Jeep. She gotta have her baby dad do it a once over at 3 p.m. We'll see what'll happen to that. But that Jeep, ain't nothing wrong with her. She test drove the Chrysler, she ain't get the Chrysler. The Chrysler nice. Now look at the Chrysler, y'all. The Chrysler real nice. They both made by the same company. I don't know, which one would you get? Comment down below. I would've did the Chrysler. That Jeep nice too. But that Chrysler hit different. It get random. Okay, let's take a look at the interior. It's a little, yeah. Nothing too crazy. Nothing we can't work around. We could definitely detail this bad boy. Let's take a look at the outside. Okay, so we got the factory hubcaps on this side. Let's look at this body. Okay, nothing too bad. Could use 2 hubcaps on this side. Alright, let's see if it start right up though. That's what I'm interested in. Let me see if it start right up. That's what I want to know. The light on, that's the sign that it got electricity. Oh, let me see something. Okay, it started right up, but let me see something. Let me check this oil. Yep, I gotta check the oil. Check this oil real quick, guys. Yeah, for sure. Thank you. You gotta get to the nitty and the gritty. Just 1 second.
It's hot out here, y'all.
Always keep a screwdriver. You never know what you need it for. How you do it? Like, keep holding it. Alright, there we go. Let me see how that works.
Oh, you need me to do it again?
Oh no, you got it, you got it. It took a little blood, sweat, and tears, but I'm finally here. Sizzling hot. So now I'm just playing. Yeah, this could use an oil change, but oil is here and oil is near, so have no fear. All right, so we got oil in her. That's always a good thing. Even if it's a little darker, as long as it's not milky, oily, or no oil at all, it's a better sign to have dirty oil or oil that needs change than oil that has no life. So, yep. All here, all count for, drill sergeant. Give you busters a cold start. So, no, it's not a cold start. How people be. too crazy. Nothing too insane. Nothing too amazing. But it's something though. Yeah, so I'm gonna take her around the block, give her a spin, and see if it's a winner chicken dinner. This how ACV brought my vehicle, so I had to put an order in for that, and they gotta repair my vehicle. They go reimburse me the money so I could get the tire. I think I found one on Marketplace. I gotta call the tire shop, so I'm gonna take this tire off and put a new one on, and then do the body work on this, and then this one will be sold for sure. Well, they went old school with this. You gotta crank the windows down. That's old school right there. Oh, I forgot to mention this one. I have to clean this throttle body on it, but it may need the throttle body replaced, which is pretty cheap. Let's see how it drives. Let's see. For a Ford Fiesta, it drives cool. I'm doing too much at once. Let me pull over. This is an auction. Jay Green. Hello?
Hey, it's Lisa from Perry Auto Auction.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you still in business?
Yes, I am. I just haven't been to a regular auction in a while.
Okay, you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. I still gotta check you guys out.
Yeah, I just wanted to check in and see what was going on, if you were still around, and so I'm glad to hear that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. What days are your auctions?
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah. Listen, you can even hop online
Yeah.
if you want to watch an auction instead of making the trip. You can do that.
Yes, ma'am. On Edge Pipeline, right?
Edge Pipeline, correct. Yeah. And if you have any questions or anything, give me a call.
All right.
My name is Lisa.
All right, Lisa. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, hun. Have a good day.
You also.
Bye.
Bye. I'm about to get my auction access back. Yeah. And I'm gonna sign up for all the auctions. Do y'all want a video on that when I get my auction access back? Show y'all like the full process of me signing back up for the auctions and stuff. Yep. Throttle need that on this for sure. Yep, but let me finish this test drive, and I see y'all guys back at the lot. We got a couple cars to go pick up. This is my first time driving this one. This one just got delivered actually before I even got there. I just had Twan get the video and stuff, but we're gonna go pick up a Monte Carlo, and hopefully if we have enough time, a Kia, and hopefully we get another sale. Oh yeah, it's been going. It was slow, but then it started to go. It was slow for a couple days, and then it just started to go. It was like boom, 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 boom. I got a couple videos of me making some sales. Let me insert some of yesterday's sales in the video right here. Yeah, we've been getting to it, man. We've been grinding. We've been working hard. I'm not gonna lie, I've been working pretty hard. Alright guys, so I did just arrive to pick up a vehicle. Now I purchased 2 vehicles today. Let me pop the pictures up right here. One is like a 2010 Kia Forte, and the other one is like a 01 Chevy Monte Carlo. I'll pop the pictures up right there. But yeah, this place probably coming a little familiar to you guys. This place is not far from me. This is one of the new car dealers that I get vehicles off of through Backlot. And these are literally in their back lot. So this is my first look. That's my first look at the Monte Carlo, literally. Like, this is my first time looking at it. I'm looking at it with y'all. I bought this to junk it. Of course, a lot of the cars I buy from them is to junk, but sometimes I come across some chicken dinners. Woo, they had an animal in here. They had an animal in here, y'all. They had an animal in here. They must have had a rescue shelter. That ain't even just an animal. That's like a... Must have had Chewbacca up in here. See? Fun fact, Chevy Monte Carlo was one of my first vehicles. Same color and everything. Look, y'all. Now, this is what I was saying in my 10 tips. Y'all see this? That's an interstate battery. That's what I was talking about. I come across a lot of vehicles with interstate batteries in it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my last video, which is Go watch my last video, which is 10 tips. And I told you a tip about batteries and stuff in that video. So yeah, which I recorded that today too, and I'm posting it tomorrow, but about time you see this, that will already be posted. But yeah, I'm about to check the oil and stuff. Sorry guys, I got excited. I get excited when I get junk cars and they got Interstate or Everstart batteries in them, because I know that I can have a warranty. Yeah, some vehicles don't have radiator caps. This is this one, but the radiator caps, if they have them, this is your radiator usually, and it's usually attached to right there. So that's what I was just looking for, was that radiator cap. It's quiet too. That mug start right up. Tail light. Tail light off. It's all hanging. We get these dealer plates on and get on back to the lot. Go get this tire changed on this other car. Alright y'all, so we do got motion. The lady did come back and she got that 2014 Jeep. Twan and Juan is down there doing the paperwork with her right now. I'm at the title office because I gotta finish doing some titles. I've been catching up on a lot of titles, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. We got motion. came up here to this little tire shop over here. Got us a $50 tire. Now we gotta get it mounted and balanced, and then we gotta put it on for the GMC Yukon. Gotta record this off my phone. We got another customer for this Chrysler 200 that I'm driving in. They there right now. I'm 1 minute away, about to pull in. Let's see how it goes. All right. Customer Antoine about to go on a test drive. Yep, customer Antoine on the test drive right now. We'll see. He said that thing hit tonight. He said that check hit tonight, so we'll see how he like it. It roll. You know the vibe. We got the snack attacks. Oh, they back. Hold up. So he did like the Chrysler a lot. He was all the way from Mississippi. So that one right there is as good as gone. That brings us to the end of this vlog, only because it's the end of the day. We got a lot more going on tomorrow. Yeah, how you doing? I don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow though, but if I don't, I mean, y'all see what's going on, man. It's going. Alright. Yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. I don't even think I got a vlog tomorrow, man. We getting them back to back. Before I even start recording, they was coming back to back. It's been going. But maybe like 5 days ago, it was just super duper slow. Now it's just going. This is the end of the vlog. Y'all see what's going on. The motion is motioning right now. We got motion. I'll let y'all know when I get auction access and so forth. Thank y'all. Have a blessed day.